everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I've told you I would reveal what the teaser video was about, and so I am going to reveal. Can you... guess? Now this has made an appearance once before in my videos. Seat folds down. That's the stuff that I just took out of the van. Gotta figure out something about totes back here. There's LED lights. But, well, I will now show you. This is what I was driving on the way home. And scrapping together, me and him have been talking through Messenger, and this is the toolbox that I was talking about that was bolted up at the front. I got that tire from a pickup which I'm trying to sell. It's not the right one. This stuff, it had lights that I took off. Currently trying to sell this shell. The toolbox I'm probably just going to scrap. This one I'm giving to my sister for her tools. But these lights right here were up here, and every time you hit the reverse they all come on, but the shell is going bye-bye. So, there are a couple things that it needs. Like I said, it was a last minute decision between me and my friend. I need a rear bumper, I need a tailgate, and one other thing that I did not realize at the time, but it's going to need new tires here soon. Let's see how low those are. I found tires. They're $105 a piece. Same size. The thing is, I think I'm gonna check to see on how much I have on the donation card, which is the PayPal link, and use whatever money is there. That's if I have enough. I doubt if I do. I think I have about $30, but I need to get 4 new tires, and that's roughly going to cost about $400. Shipping is free. I buy my tires off of Amazon. But yep, hardly used any gas coming home. Not like the beast out in the street. I put that up for sale. But this is going to be the new truck. You guys already know what happened to the white one. In fact, that video will come out before this one. But like I said, it was a last minute decision. It seems like every time something comes up, I sit there and ponder on if I should or if I shouldn't, and then I usually find out later that I should have. So when this came available, I jumped at it. I called up my friend. He gave me the money. Plus I had a little bit saved. So we made a down payment on it. We still owe $1,000 on it. But the guy who I got this from, ex-coworker from when I worked at AutoZone, he knows I'm trying to sell the van. Me and my friend are trying to sell the van. We're going to be selling the white pickup, and hopefully between both of them we can come up with $1,000 to pay this thing off. At least I'm hoping. So if anybody wants a van, $500, take it. But yeah, like I said, it used hardly any gas coming home. It's really good on gas. He says it's an average of 20 miles to the gallon on the expressway. And after bringing it home and driving it and watching the gas gauge, it's a lot better, because I went twice as far to get this vehicle than it is to go back and forth to the scrapyard. But he's going to change out the cluster because he put digital in here, and I'm a big believer that whatever the vehicle comes with is what it should stay with. And this is the fuel gauge, but for the fuel gauge down here to work, he has to disconnect that too. He just bought a new cluster, and he's going to come out and swap it out. Still don't know why he put that battery in this truck. The truck sat for about a month. It almost has a full tank of gas in it. So, but I'm still going to put money into it, you know, every day, because I don't want it to be like the other one, you know, where I'm barely having enough gas to get around. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a middle seat, but that might be an advantage to me. I could probably think of something to put right there. And I don't want anybody sitting in the middle anyways. So, but yeah. And for all of the yous that are going to say that this is going to wind up being the same as the front of the van, no. This place back here is designated for the scrap as long as I'm keeping it. The wires, valves, and any other thing are going to go into totes back here. Other than that, everything up front is going to stay the way you see it. And it does have power locks. wonder if it'll start, because the battery was giving us a little issue. I have let's see. I like the rumbling. But the battery is good, it just needs a charge because it's been sitting. But doesn't overheat. LED headlights, which those are staying because they're the bright ones. And as you can see by the gauge, well, in the video it's going to be flickering, but oil pressure, water temp, don't know why it says warning. Hasn't been running, but yeah, but that's what it looks like. That's what it sounds like. Now, what drew me to this truck is it's a brand new motor. There's less than 90,000 miles on this motor. Don't know exactly. A lot of front end work has been done. But yeah, this cab will come off. My sides from the other white pickup will go on here. I'll have to probably redesign it. And then, oops, I locked it. Never mind. I'm not going to fight with it. But, like I said I would show you. There she is. Ram 2500 V8 extra cab, long bed. Now, like I said, this truck has made an appearance once before in my video on my other channels, but it has not made an appearance on this channel. But there it is, the new truck. Now I just need to get it on the road. That one will not be on the road in 10 days, but I have to go down and get a moving permit for this one and take the insurance off of that and put it on this, so this way I can start driving this around. But yep, there she is. So yeah, but I'm gonna need a new bumper and tailgate. The guy who owns this truck currently, who we're paying, he just, like I said, got another cluster, but he got another truck similar to this except for a diesel, and it's only a 1500. He he just went and bought a tailgate from the junkyard, and they want $90 for a tailgate. Sorry about the wind. Now you might have noticed on the hood, which I'm going to need another hood. This came off his other truck that he's driving now. He didn't latch it, and it came up and flew up and hit his windshield and tweaked it really bad. So that's why it's not sitting down right. But I drove all the way here like that. It can stay like that for a little bit. But there you go. Like I said, I had to take a chance. And as of right now, I do not regret it. Now, it also depends on if I'll be able to get rid of the other vehicles or not. You know. But like I said, if I don't sell that van, it's going to the scrapyard. Just don't know which one. Highest pay place gets it. But something is better than nothing, but I'm not going to sit on it. I need to get it out of here. I need to get this one out in the street. I need to start driving it. And if I can't sell this camper the first time I go to the scrapyard in it with scrap in the back, I'm going to tell the guy who is operating the big arm, yank that SOB off of there, throw it in the scrap pile. Because the guy he doesn't want that, you know. But, yep. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, oh well. But let's keep this going. Every day, it's a fight to move forward. But hopefully this will get me to where I need to go. So, as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. Later, Gators. Viper out.